Welcome to e-learning at Keys. In this video, we are going to see how to use Google Classroom Android application as a student. Before moving into the video, subscribe e-learning at Keys. You can use Google Classroom either from your PC's web browser or from your mobile phone. For using Google Classroom from your mobile phone, you need to install Google Classroom application in your mobile phone. I have already installed Google Classroom application in my phone. This is the first screen you will see after getting into your Google Classroom app. I have already joined a class named BBA 2019 B batch. To know how to join a class, you can see the video in the description box. I have given the link. In the top left corner, there will be 3 lines. You need to first sign in into your Gmail account using the 3 lines. At the top right corner, you can see a plus symbol. If you click the plus symbol, 2 options will be there: join class, create class. You can join the class using the join class option with the class code given by your teacher. Now we will move into the class. This is the classroom. In the classroom, you can see at the bottom there will be 3 pages in the classroom. The first page is called streams, the second page is classwork, the third page is people. We will see one by one. First, we will look into streams. Streams is nothing but a notice board of your class. It will shows the announcements made by your teacher, materials added by your teacher. You can also ask your doubts, you can post your doubts, you can post your announcements. So it is a kind of notice board of the class. Okay, you can see here the teacher, first comment, you can see the teacher is asking for the register number. The teacher has posted new materials on introduction to accounting. The teacher is informing the students to join the class. Another material he has posted. Whenever the materials has been posted, study materials, it will be displayed in the notice board. The teacher at the end, the top, you can see new assignment. Teacher has given a new assignment. All the announcement will be displayed in the streams page. Okay, at each announcement you can see add comment. Okay, if you are having any doubt regarding the announcement, you can click the add comment and you can ask the question to your teacher. So next one is classwork. This is the second page in this class. Okay, in the classwork, the materials, assignments, tests added by your teacher will be displayed in the classwork. You can see first the teacher has posted a material on introduction to accounting. He has posted one PPT, one PDF, one YouTube video. You can see this is the PDF he has posted for his students for reference. Okay, and then this is the PowerPoint presentation posted by the teacher for reference of the students. You can see that you can access this PowerPoint. You can watch the video posted by the teacher. Okay, see, you can watch the video posted by the teacher. Okay, so in this way you can have access to the materials posted in the classroom. These are the materials, videos, assignments, everything. Okay, the next page is people. In this, your classmates names and the teachers names will be displayed. You can see who are your classmates, but you cannot contact your classmates. You cannot have private chats with your classmates, but you can send emails to your teacher. Look at here. If you click the message button, here the teacher is Muhammad Arshad Ali. Next to his name, you can see the message button. If you see the if you click the message button, through which you can send email to your teacher. Through email you can ask your queries with your teacher. So come to the home page. This is the home page. Okay, you can see the I button. Okay, here if you click the I button, at the top of the screen, top right of the screen, if you click the I button, you can see the information about your class. Okay, this class is BBA finance, teaching financial accounting. The subject, room number, section, everything will be displayed. Okay, if you want to unenroll from the class, you need to click the three dots and press unenroll. Okay, so you can see the options, other options. Here you can see, okay, if you are having multiple enrolled in multiple classes, if you click the classes button, it will display here. In this video I have joined only one class, so it is displaying only one class. If you have joined multiple classes, all the classes will be displayed here. The next, calendar. This will display the Google Calendar. If you are having any assignments, study materials, everything will be displayed in this Google Calendar. Notification. If your teacher, here you can see the notification. If your teacher has posted any announcement, any assignment, everything will be displayed in the notification bar. You can see to-do list. If you click to-do list, you can see here the teacher has assigned one quiz. Okay, you need to answer what are the assignments. If any assignments is given, any due date is there, you can see here the teacher has posted 4 videos and asked questions. He need to answer question. If you click financial accounting quiz 2, if you click that, it will go to the quiz page. Okay, you can see here, okay, the student has to answer the quiz. Okay, so this is from the to-do list. Okay, next, this is the class. If you are having enrolled in multiple classes, you can see all the classes. Okay, archived classes means if you have unenrolled from a class, you can see that classes in the archived classes. Classroom folders. Okay, this is a folder created in your Google Drive. Okay, if you go into the particular class, you can see the materials, PDF downloads, everything will be saved in the particular folder of your Google Drive. Okay, you can also have settings. Okay, sync in mobile data. Some basic settings are there. Comments on your post. Okay, you can use this basic settings. I will put a separate video on how to use these settings. Who can comment on your post, everything you can use. Using this setting, everything you can do. Help, privacy policy. If you need to have any doubts from the Google, any doubts in using this Google Classroom application, if you are having any doubts in using Google Classroom application, using this help option, you can go to the Google. Okay, you can see how to join a class as a student, turn in how to submit assignment, how to sign in classroom. Okay, all these, for all your queries, the help section will give answers. Okay, thank you so much for your patient listening. I hope this video will enable you to access some basic features of Google Classroom application. If you are having any doubts regarding the usage of Google Classroom app, you can ask me through the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, E-Learning at Ease.